Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll enter to the window of Netflix. Then this page of app info, we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app or on your phone. And after that, you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have on Netflix. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.